So what is the articulation point? It says top part of the tip of the tongue and the gum line of the two top incisors. So if you see, that is quite similar to the one we have studied before, like there, but the difference, okay, the difference would be the sifat that causes a difference in the two different letters. Okay, so let me explain that to you. Top part, let me do that. Top part of the tip of the tongue. So if this is the tip and this is the top part of the tip, okay, and it says the gum line of the two top incisors. So this is 1, 2, we have two incisors and this is the gum line. Okay, so the top part of the tip of the tongue and the gum lines of the top two incisors, when we're pronouncing Daal, that's where the sound come from. Okay, you can see in the other diagram. So that's the top part of the tip of the tongue, and this is the gum line for the top two incisors. Let me explain this into in 3D model. And next slide. Okay, just the one. Okay. Okay. So let me clear this. Okay, as we have the mouth, the tongue. Okay, I come to this diagram. Okay. So this is the tip. Okay, as we have this is the tip, and we say it's the top of the tip of the tongue, so we will be using the top part of the tip of the tongue. That's the top part, and it's the two incisors, top incisors, the gum line. Okay, so the gum line of the top two incisors. So the tip of the tongue, the top part of the tip of the tongue, and the gum lines of the top two incisors as the Makhraj, as the articulation point for Daal.